success. Everyone, let us witness the significant moment in 1, 2, 3. Got the ribbon!
I like this tikman ng manok. May isol. I think this will be my favorite. And then, may enchilada. Tanong din sila, guys.
Ready, label as St. Francis of Assisi. To our guests, media and bloggers, our friends, my family, and Papa Go family. Kami pa siya later, but Sir Erwin and Batisa Boy Santos, please raise your hand para recognize. Thank you for coming, and also our Mixed Nation leaders. Maayong hapon inyong tanan, and welcome sa Lamisa Davao Restaurant. By the way, my name is Budoy Canales, husband ni Anne Marie. Please stand, very nice. It's my privilege and to host and welcome you sa tuwang grand opening. Lami sa Davao or Lami sa Davao is a Filipino cuisine that showcase warm ambience, flavors, and hospitality, especially in Davao City. There is a Lamisa restaurant na ato tayo VIP rooms, no? Na magkasya siya 15 to 20 person nasa baba. And ato ang mga pangalan nito, Punciano, Lanao, Matina, and Davao. So kana na mga name, pangalan or addresses na sa tuwang branches sa Mixed Nation. And isa sa tuwang vision sa Lamisa restaurant. In every Mixed Nation na ay dapat na Lamisa restaurant. So to offer the unique 2-in-1 dining destination. And I would like also to take this opportunity, no, ang atuang station Airport France, 24 hours na this coming June 1. And yun lang, no, so thank you for joining us tonight and explore our menu. Mabuhay and madayaw.
Thanks so much, sir.
Ay, mga pagkaon, nagkikan rin sa amin sa Davao. Wow, nga Davao ang inyong mga mata. O pangamoy, kikinig mga pagkaon, mauni ang mga kinabalik-balik o kinapangita sa mga tao. We'll see the performance again of Nani Double With You. And once again, please let me welcome the Nani Double With You. Palapakan mo natin sila.
Try natin. Kasi favorite ng family ito.
Ano ba? Kamu nga good ng anak ko. Ang ginang gusto, grabe yung hindi may bahas. Tapos to, hindi mo ba?
Cheers!
Cheers!
Thank you so much, sir. Cheers and palakpakan po. Palakpakan.